how to add channel watermark in your YouTube videos. So hey guys, if you want to add a watermark of your channel logo or icon throughout your YouTube video, then this video is for you. So all you need to do is simply follow these easy steps. So the first thing we need to do is head on to our YouTube Studio application or website. So since currently I'm in a web browser, what I'm gonna do is after opening up my YouTube website, I'm gonna click onto the profile picture icon at the top right. And once I click onto it, I can see this option of YouTube Studio. So click onto this YouTube Studio option and it will open up your YouTube Studio website. Now the next thing we need to do is find out that particular video on which we will be applying the watermark. So the next thing we need to do is click onto this customization tab at the very left. Once you click onto the customization tab, it will open the channel customization page. So scroll down at the very bottom, you will see this section of video watermark. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. So now you need to upload the particular image of your choice. It could be your channel icon or the symbol of your channel, company or website or etc. whatever you would like. So simply click onto this upload option and then choose your image. And here you can see once I have choose the image, it is giving me an option to crop this image if I want, or if I don't want to crop it, it's alright. Once I am satisfied with the croppings, I need to click onto this done button right here. And once that will be done, you can see a sample preview of the same. And from here, you can choose the duration time. So for example, if I want this watermark to be just present at the end of the video, I need to choose this first option. And the second one is the custom start time, where I can determine this watermark will be displayed. So if it is currently set to 5 seconds, that means that this watermark will be displayed after 5 seconds. Or if I want it for the entire video, simply click onto this entire video. Then once you have find the duration time, simply click onto this publish button at the top right. And once you will do this, you can see this message which says changes published. So now let us go to the channel and check it out for any particular random video. So let's do it for this video right here. And here you can see that watermark shows up at the right, and if someone clicks on it, he or she has the option to subscribe our channel as well. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to hit the like button as well. Do comment on this video and tell us if this worked for you or not, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.